Hello students, welcome to Sarvsys classes. My name is Ashmita and in today's class we are going to talk about how to take admission in the Hyderabad University in the Department of Mathematics and Statistics. Now this university is quite popular among the statistics students or candidates who are aspiring to take up a master's degree or PhD courses in statistics and applied mathematics. So let us talk about how to take admission in this university. Now the Department of Mathematics and Statistics currently offers three highly rated programs. Now number one is Integrated MSc, which has Mathematics, Applied Mathematics, Statistics and Operations Research. Admissions to MSc or PhD programs are based on the entrance examination and the interview which is conducted by the university. The duration of this entrance examination is 2 hours, and let me tell you, whatever degree you want to pursue, you have to sit in this entrance examination, and this is compulsory for all the candidates. Admission to the university is open to all who fulfills all the qualifications without any distinction in race, caste, creed, language or anything. And the selection is made strictly on the basis of merit at the entrance examination and in the interview. Now, no student shall be eligible for admission to MSc course unless he or she has successfully completed a 3-year undergraduate degree through an examination which is conducted by the university or from any kind of autonomous college. However, as a transitory measure, a candidate who has passed a 2-year degree course may also be considered for admission, provided he or she can undergo a further 1-year bridge course and passed the same. Candidates whose result of the qualifying degree or other examination is not declared may also apply for this examination or for this admission, I must say, but they may have to produce the results of this qualifying degree to the university within a time which is specified by the university. Now, all the courses at the master's degree level or the 5-year integrated master's degree or PhD programs are full-time regular courses. For PhD programs, the candidates are encouraged to join as regular students. However, for those who are not in a position to do research on full-time basis, a limited provision exists for part-time. A candidate is free to apply for admission to as many courses as he or she wishes to, after ensuring from the schedule for the entrance examination that there is no clash. Now, obviously, there shouldn't be any clash in the subjects, like whichever subject you are giving, your examination shouldn't clash with some other subject which also you are taking admission for. Now, the university has made the best possible efforts to avoid overlap in the schedule of examination of related subjects. Now, the candidates are advised to study the examination schedule carefully before deciding on their choice of subjects. Admission notification to integrated MSc and PhD courses will be issued normally in the first week of April. Whatever admission notification gets released for this university, be it integrated MSc or normal MSc or PhD course, any notification around all these admission will be released in this official website of this university in the month of April. Now, the students are selected through a nationwide entrance test plus interview, as I have repeatedly told you, and entrance examinations will take place in the first week of June. For more information, you can go on to www.uohyd.ac.in. That's the official website of Hyderabad University, and you can get all the latest updates and also your eligibility criteria, whether you can apply or not, and what all you have to fulfill before applying to this university. So that is how you can apply in this university. Hope so you understood it step by step how to do it. So if you want to get into this university, you need to prepare well for the entrance examination, which is very much compulsory for all the candidates. So for that, you need a better guidance, a better strategic plan preparation. For that, you need a better mentor. और हम सर्विसेज क्लासेस में वही मेंटर आपको प्रोवाइड करेंगे. हमारे यहाँ पे रेगुलर क्लासेस होता है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैं, डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लासेस हैं, क्रैश कोर्स फैसिलिटीज हैं, स्कॉलरशिप फैसिलिटीज हैं, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशंस, रिवीजन सेशंस, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. And we also solve the previous year's question papers and mock test papers and the unsolved papers and the sample papers. So if you want the guidance and benefit of our teachers, then do join our classes. You can check the description box. There you will get our contact numbers, our WhatsApp numbers. You can join from there. Or you can also visit Saurabh Classes website to know more about our classes, and also you can join from there. So that was all about our classes. And let me tell you, if you join our class, we are going to provide you with a 24/7 portal access. That is the recorded lectures portal access we provide to the enrolled candidates. And one more information is that our study materials are available on Amazon and Flipkart also. So you can buy from there too. So that was all for today's class. We are going to meet once again in our next classes.